In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make deposits in QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that your bookkeeping remains accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of your QuickBooks dashboard, a place you'll become familiar with as it's your gateway to many features QuickBooks offers. Here, you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking on this will unveil a list of various options. Among them, look for and select Bank Deposit. This action sets the stage for entering the details of your deposit into QuickBooks, a crucial step in maintaining orderly financial records. Now, it's time to enter the specifics of your bank deposit. QuickBooks will prompt you to fill in several fields, and it's important to take your time here to ensure accuracy. You'll start by indicating the account where the deposit has been made. This could be your main business bank account or another one you use for specific transactions. Next, carefully enter the amount of the deposit. Precision here is key, as even small discrepancies can lead to larger issues down the line. Don't forget to also enter the date the deposit was made. Recording the correct date is essential for keeping your financial reports accurate and up to date, allowing you to have a clear view of your cash flow over time. As you enter this information, you might notice other fields asking for additional details, such as a memo or reference. While not mandatory, filling these in can enhance your records by providing context or specific details about the deposit, making it easier to track or explain transactions later. After you've double-checked that everything is correctly filled out, it's time to finalize this task. At the bottom of the window, you'll find the Save and Close button. Clicking this will save your deposit details into QuickBooks and close the window, seamlessly integrating your new data into the system. And there you have it. You've successfully entered a bank deposit in QuickBooks. It really is as simple as that. Keeping track of your deposits in this way will help maintain the integrity of your financial records, making future audits or financial reviews a breeze. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances more effectively in QuickBooks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy bookkeeping!